Kathy Park tonight. Thank you. And there's breaking news this evening on the COVID pandemic. AstraZeneca putting its vaccine trial on hold because of a suspected adverse reaction in a participant. It comes after an extraordinary pledge by drug company CEOs saying they won't rush clinical trials despite pressure from President Trump. Let's get more from Tom Costello.
Under intense pressure from President Trump to deliver a vaccine before Election Day,
we're going to have a vaccine very soon, maybe even before a very special date. You know what date I'm talking about?
Today, an unprecedented joint statement from 9 drug makers pledging not to rush their vaccine candidates or cave to political pressure. Writing, "We want to make clear our ongoing commitment to developing and testing potential vaccines for COVID-19 in accordance with high ethical standards and sound scientific principles."
9 vaccine makers are coming out saying that they will stand with science, and the world is looking to science right now, in particular to vaccine, to make sure that we will bring us to the end of this pandemic.
Former Trump FDA chief Dr. Scott Gottlieb.
I think that they're concerned that the public may not have confidence in the process because of the way that this has been swept up in a lot of political discussion in the vaccine development process and the regulatory process.
Right now, 3 drug makers have vaccines in phase 3 human trials in the U.S., each involving 30,000 volunteers. Late today, AstraZeneca said it's pausing its phase 3 trial to investigate an unexplained illness. Scott Balaban received 2 injections in July as part of a Pfizer trial at the University of Maryland School of Medicine. He doesn't think he got a placebo.
I did have some fever and some tiredness, some chills, but that resolved overnight. And then after that, it was just muscle pain for maybe about 5 days. And then after that, it's been back to normal.
Meanwhile, 2/3 of those surveyed in a USA Today Suffolk poll say they will not get a vaccine when it's first offered. 44% will wait until others have tried it. 23% say they won't get a vaccine at all. Dr. Anthony Fauci again today said an FDA-approved vaccine is months, not weeks away.
I believe we will have that by the end of this year, the beginning of next calendar year, 2021.
Late today, the American Academy of Pediatrics reported more than 500,000 children have contracted COVID. 103 have died. The rate of new cases increasing as kids return to school. Lester?